Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Silent Epic here, and I have asked my friend Silvamord to make this awesome video about Minecraft, and Code.org actually got together and made this this pretty cool program in order to teach you how to program using Minecraft. So make sure that you guys watch the video, hit a like, guys. Make sure you subscribe to Mr. Silvamord's channel too. He does a lot of MMO stuff. He's pretty good. A gamer and programming, that's just a great combination. So here we go, guys. So I asked him to make it because he's a really good program. He actually does this for a living, program and everything, and he's also a really cool gamer. So make sure you guys go check him out and enjoy the video. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, it's Silvamord here. Today I thought we'd take a look at something that combines two passions of mine: gaming and programming. We're starting a new series here, taking a look at a collaboration between Code.org and Mojang, the producers of Minecraft. They created a fun little game to introduce you to programming in the Minecraft world. To follow along, go to code.org. You can find the link in the description below the video. So here we have the code.org homepage. And if we scroll down just a little bit here, we can see what we're going to take a look at. An hour of code, the Minecraft theme. So let's go ahead and click on this. We're going to see a few more options in the Minecraft piece we're going to take a look at. We may do some other walkthroughs of these other tutorials later on, but today we're going to focus on Minecraft. Let's go ahead and select this. And one more time, we'll click the Try Now button.
My name is Ian.
Okay, so you notice the video started there. I would highly suggest you walk through and listen to those videos when you start through the series yourself. I'm going to skip them for the sake of brevity, but do please watch them. They've got some great content, and they introduced you to some people from Mojang as well. So when we start here, we get to pick who we want to play with, Alex or Steve. I'm going to select Steve. So for our first puzzle, we want to add a second move forward command to reach the sheep. Okay, so move forward is in quotes here, so this must be something we want to pay attention to. Say okay. Oh, the Minecraft music. Awesome. Hit run to try your program. Okay, so let's run our program. Uh-oh, Steve's not too happy. Try using more commands to walk to the sheep. All right, let's try again. Okay, so let's take a look at the environment we're going to play in here first. First off, we have our play area. So this is our little window over here on the left. This is going to show us what happens when we run our program. See a reset button here. If we mess up, we can start over again. Run, as we just saw, we'll start our program and walk through the steps. And Steve will take the actions that we put together for him. Over here on our right, we can see our list of blocks that we have available to us. We have move forward, turn left, and turn right. To the right of that, we have our workspace. This is where we're going to build our program. We're going to build our program by clicking blocks together. This builds a series of commands that Steve will follow for us. You notice as the blocks get close, they'll kind of show a click marker and make an audible click when they put together. To remove them, simply grab the block, drag it off, and then throw it away. So again, we just remove the block and we can throw it away. So let's go ahead and get these back off here. We also have the start over button. Yeah, try again. This will reset the puzzle to its state and delete all the blocks you've added or changed. So if you get a little too crazy, you can always start over, and that's okay. Don't be afraid to try things. That's part of the fun of programming. And here's the show code button. So this is going to show us what our code looks like for the blocks that we added. So this is how we can tie back to see what it is we've told Steve to do, how we told him to do it with code. All right, so let's take a look at the blocks we have here. When run. Every program that you write during your hour of code Minecraft experience is going to start with a when run block. So what does that mean? Well, that means when we click the run button, right? So our run button over here, then do these things. So when run, move forward. All right, so let's click run. So we clicked run. Steve moved forward. We didn't get to the sheep again. We're not very good at this. All right, so let's go ahead and try this again. So they told us to add another move forward. So let's add a second move forward block. All right, so that snaps right in there. Okay, so that was one way to do this. How else do you think we could add a move forward? Well, let's select this move forward. If we hit Control C on the keyboard for copy, and then click in your workspace and Control V, we can copy it. This will be very useful later on when we want to add multiple blocks or we want to copy a series of blocks. So just remember that for moving forward. Move forward. Get it? Move forward block. That was lame. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this. Now that we've added our second move forward block, and let's see what happens. Steve moved forward twice, just like our program said. And Steve was really happy. We did that. All right. Puzzle 1 completed. Congratulations. You just wrote 2 lines of code. Well, let's take a look at that code. So move forward and move forward. What do these mean? And what's this funny thing here for? Well, in programming, we have something called methods, which are series of statements sort of grouped together. So in this case, move forward, and these parentheses signify a function or a method. Either name works for this. So this is going to be a bunch of commands stuck together that tell Steve how to move forward. And then this little guy says, my line is all done. You can ignore anything after this. Go to the next line. We want to replay it? No, I think we did okay there. Did you like this puzzle? Yep, I like that puzzle. That was a pretty good puzzle to start out with. So we'll go ahead and we'll click continue. All right, puzzle 2 of 14. We get to do 14 puzzles together. Wood is a very important resource. You're right. I usually start Minecraft by punching trees. Many things are made from it. Walk to the tree and use the destroy block. Ooh, this is a new block. Use the destroy block command to chop it down. Okay, so we need to chop down a tree. I think we can handle that. So go ahead and click OK. Oh, so when run, they didn't give us anything to start with this time. Here's our new destroy block. Okay, well, let's just test our new destroy block. Let's put it right here. Let's click run. All right, so you can punch the air, and he's sad because that didn't work. Okay, so this is a good thing we can point out, though. Not quite. You have to use a block you aren't using yet. All right, so we can get a hint if we need it. Try using one of these blocks. Move forward. Okay, so that's a good hint. Maybe we should move forward. All right, so let's get rid of our destroy block. Okay, so how far forward do we have to move Steve? Well, if we look real close, we can see that some of the grass blocks are slightly different colors. And Steve will move 1 block when we use move forward. So let's count how many blocks we need to move. 1, 2. Okay, so let's add 2 move forward blocks. 1, 2. Okay. And then Steve should be here in front of our tree. So let's test that. 1, 2. All right, so Steve moved forward 2. And he's still sad because we didn't get the tree. All right, so now let's try adding our destroy block. And let's reset Steve. Let's try this again. 1, 2, destroy block. What? We got the wood. We made Steve happy. All right. Puzzle 2 completed. Congratulations. You just wrote 3 lines of code. All-time total, 5 lines. So we've written 5 lines of code so far. That's excellent. Well, let's take a look at the code we wrote. Move forward. Yep. Move forward. Okay. Destroy block. That sounds about right. Did you like this puzzle? Yep. Let's replay this though. I think we can we can do a bit more with this still. So let's reset Steve. Let's get rid of our blocks. Notice how I can drag multiple of these at a time. If you drag the top block of a series of them, you can move the whole section. So let's just go ahead and delete that. What if I want to destroy the block from this side, from the right-hand side? Think we can do that? What would we have to do? Well, if I want to go over here, I think the first thing I need to do is move to the right. Okay, well, how do we get Steve to move right? So far, he's only walked forward. Well, let's think about it. What blocks do we have? Move forward. Okay, we know that makes block walk forward. Block? Walk forward. Steve, walk forward. Destroy block. So we know that makes Steve punch the tree. Turn left. And turn right. Well, let's try turn right. Let's see what this does. Okay, so Steve turned to the right. That's good. Yeah, we know it didn't work. It's okay. We're testing. All right, so turn right. So let's turn right and let's walk forward a block. Okay, so now Steve will be here. But I think he's going to be facing the wrong direction because we just walked to the right. This way. We need to go this direction now. We need to go up. So I think we need to turn Steve again. Let's turn Steve. Let's see. If we're facing this way, I think we need to turn to the left. Yes. Okay. So let's turn Steve left. So now Steve should be here and looking up. All right. So how many blocks forward do we need to move? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we want to move forward 3 blocks this time. Let's do 1, 2, 3. Okay. But now Steve's going to be standing here. All right. So can we destroy the tree now? Let's find out. Let's add a destroy block. Let's try running this. All right, so Steve moved forward. He turned, he walked forward. Uh-oh, he punched the air instead of the tree. That's not going to work. All right, so let's restart this. I think we need to turn Steve again. So let's move our block, destroy block over here for a minute. And if Steve is facing up, we turned right to go this way last time. Let's turn left. So we'll add the turn left block in the middle here. Let's put our destroy block back. And let's run this. All right, so Steve turned right. 1, 2, 3. Yep, turn left. Destroy block. All right, we did it. We got the tree from the right-hand side. All right, so we had a lot of fun with that puzzle. All right, so here's a challenge for you all. Can you destroy the block? Can you get that tree from the left-hand side? Put your solution in the comments. Let me know if you're able to do it. And then join me for the next episode when we work on puzzle 3. See you all next time.